Ever wondered how the heart of your electronic devices, the printed circuit board or PCB, is manufactured? It's a truly captivating process, combining both art and science. PCBs are the backbone of modern electronics, silently powering our lives, from our smartphones to our kitchen appliances. The creation of these intricate boards is a journey filled with precision, innovation, and a touch of intrigue. So, are you ready to uncover the mysteries of this process? Sit back as we delve into the fascinating world of PCB manufacturing. Creating a PCB, or printed circuit board, is an intricate process that involves several steps. Each step is a world in itself, demanding precision, care, and a great deal of expertise. Let's begin with the design phase. This is where the magic starts. Engineers use specialized software to draft the PCB design. They decide where each component will go and how they'll connect. Every trace, every connection is meticulously planned and laid out in a digital environment. This blueprint then becomes the guide for the manufacturing process. Now let's move on to the actual manufacturing. The first step is creating the substrate, typically made of a material called FR4, a type of fiberglass. This provides a sturdy yet flexible base for the circuit. Next, the circuit design from the blueprint is transferred onto the substrate. This is done using a process called etching. A layer of copper is applied to the substrate and the unwanted parts are etched away, leaving behind the circuit pattern. After etching comes the drilling process. Holes are drilled into the PCB for various components like resistors, capacitors, and integrated circuits. These holes, or vias, allow electrical connection between different layers of the board. Once the holes are drilled, a layer of solder mask is applied. This green layer, which you might recognize from many electronics, protects the copper circuits from oxidation, short circuits, and other potential issues. It also gives the board its characteristic look. Finally, the board undergoes a process called silk screening, where component labels are printed onto the board. These labels help in assembly and troubleshooting, making it easier to identify each component. And there you have it. From an initial concept to a physical object, the PCB comes to life, with each step requiring a careful balance of precision and expertise. It's a testament to the marvels of modern manufacturing, where innovation and craftsmanship meet. The result? A fully functional PCB ready to power your favorite electronics. So, to recap, the PCB manufacturing process is a marvel of modern technology. It all starts with a detailed design, followed by the careful selection and preparation of the base material. Layers of copper are then meticulously added and etched away, creating precise circuits. Next, components are mounted and the board is tested rigorously for quality assurance. Each step, crucial in its own right, contributes to the final product. Next time you use an electronic device, remember the complexity and precision of the PCB manufacturing process that makes it all possible.